Okay, so picture this. You're at a coffee shop, you see someone reading your favorite book, and you think, this is my chance to practice English. But then you freeze. Your mind goes completely blank. You just stand there like a statue. Has this ever happened to you? Because it happened to me last week, and it was so awkward. Today, Max and I are going to make sure this never happens to you again. We're teaching you exactly how to meet new people in English with confidence.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Thanks, Max. And hello to all of you beautiful learners out there. We're so happy you're here. Today is going to be super practical. We're talking about one of the most important skills in English, or in any language really, meeting new people.
Yes, and I know this can feel scary. Talking to strangers is hard, even in your own language. But in English, it feels 10 times harder.
Exactly. But here's the good news. By the end of this episode, you're going to have simple, natural phrases you can use anywhere, at a party, at school, at work, even online.
And you'll sound confident and friendly, not weird or robotic. Promise. So grab your headphones, get comfortable, and let's jump in.
Okay, Max, let's start with the biggest question. How do you actually start talking to someone?
Great question. The first step is simple. You need an opening line, something small and friendly.
Not something crazy like, hello, do you believe in aliens, right?
Well, maybe that works in some situations, but usually we start with something easy, something about the situation you're both in.
Okay, give me an example.
Sure. Imagine you're at a cafe. You see someone sitting alone. You could say, "Hi, is this seat taken?"
Oh, that's simple. Is this seat taken? I like that.
Exactly. Or you could say, "Excuse me, do you know if this cafe has Wi-Fi?"
Aha, so you're asking a simple question, something anyone can answer.
Yes, questions are perfect. They're not scary, they're polite, and they open the door to conversation.
What if you're at a bus stop or waiting in line?
Same idea. You could say, "This line is taking forever, right?" Or, "Do you know how long the wait usually is?"
I love that. You're complaining together. That's actually a great way to connect.
Totally. Shared experiences are powerful. If you're both waiting, both cold, both lost, that's something you have in common.
Okay, so step one, ask a simple question or make a small comment about the situation. Got it. What's step two?
Step 2 is introducing yourself, but wait until the other person responds first.
Right. Don't just walk up and say, hi, my name is Lily. Nice to meet you. That's a little intense.
Yeah, it's a bit much. Instead, after your opening line, wait for them to answer. Then you can say, "By the way, I'm Max. Nice to meet you."
Oh, I like by the way. It sounds so natural. Can I also say, oh, I'm Lily?
Absolutely, both work. You can also say, "I don't think we've met. I'm Max."
Ooh, that's good for work or school situations.
Exactly. Or at a party, you could say, "Hey, I'm Max. How do you know the host?"
That's smart. You're introducing yourself and asking a question. Two birds, one stone.
Exactly. Now, here's a tip. When you introduce yourself, smile. I know you can't see smiles over a podcast, but in real life, a smile makes everything easier.
So true. A smile says, I'm friendly. I'm not dangerous. Please don't run away.
Yes, and speak clearly. Don't mumble. Even if you're nervous, try to speak with confidence.
Fake it till you make it, right?
Exactly. Your brain will catch up. Now, let's practice. Listeners, imagine you're at a bookstore. Someone is looking at the same shelf as you. What do you say?
Try it out loud. We'll rate.
Okay, here's one option. "Hi, have you read any good books lately?"
Perfect. Or you could say, excuse me, have you read this author before? I'm looking for something new.
Love it. See how easy that is? You're not asking for their life story, just a simple, friendly question.
Okay, wait. Before we go further, I need to tell you about the biggest mistake learners make when meeting people in English.
Ooh, what is it?
They use formal textbook English. They say things like, "Hello, it is a pleasure to make your acquaintance."
Oh no, that's very formal.
Right? In real life, native speakers don't talk like that. We say, "Hey, nice to meet you," or even just, "Hi, I'm Lily."
Exactly. Keep it simple. Keep it natural. Don't sound like a robot.
Yes. So if you've been using super formal phrases, stop. Use the simple ones we're teaching you today.
Your new friends will thank you.
All right, so we've started the conversation, we've introduced ourselves. Now what? How do we keep talking?
Great question. This is where a lot of people freeze. They say hi, then silence.
Awkward silence.
Very awkward. So here's the trick. Ask open-ended questions.
What does that mean?
It means ask questions that need more than yes or no as an answer.
Oh, so instead of saying, "Do you like this city?" I should say, "What do you think of this city?"
Exactly. The second question makes them talk more. It gives you more to respond to.
Okay, give me more examples.
Sure. Instead of, do you work here, say, what do you do?
Instead of, "Is this your first time here?" say, "How did you find out about this place?"
Yes, you're getting it. Open-ended questions keep the conversation flowing.
What if they give a short answer anyway?
Then follow up. Let's say you ask, what do you do? And they say, I'm a teacher.
You could say, "Oh, that's cool. What do you teach?"
Or, how long have you been teaching?
Or, "Do you enjoy it?"
Perfect. You're building on what they said. That's how conversations grow.
Okay, here's another tip. Listen, really listen.
Yes, don't just wait for your turn to talk. Pay attention to what they're saying.
Because if they say, "I just moved here from Canada," that's your next question. "Oh, where in Canada? What brought you here?"
Exactly. The conversation gives you the clues. You just have to listen for them.
Okay, so we're asking questions, we're listening, but how do we make the conversation interesting?
You find common ground, something you both like or can talk about.
Like shared interests?
Exactly. Let's say they mention they love hiking. If you also like hiking, say, no way, me too. Where's your favorite place to hike?
And if you don't like hiking?
You can still show interest. Say, I've never been hiking, but it sounds fun. What's it like?
Oh, smart. So even if you don't share the interest, you can still connect by being curious.
Exactly. People love talking about their passions. Give them space to share.
What are some easy topics to find common ground with?
Great question. Here are some safe ones. Food, travel, movies, music, hobbies, pets.
Basically, things most people have opinions about.
Yes. Avoid controversial stuff at first. Politics, religion, money. Those can get awkward fast.
Yeah, save those for later or never.
Exactly. Keep it light and fun, especially at the beginning.
Okay, listeners, it's time to practice. We're going to do a quick role play and we want you to try it with us.
Imagine you're at a party. You don't know anyone. You walk up to someone standing alone. What do you say?
We'll give you a few seconds to think. Go ahead, say it out loud.
Okay, here's what we'd say. Hi, I'm Max. I don't think we've met.
Or, "Hey, I'm Lily. How do you know the host?"
Both are great. Now they respond and say, oh, I work with Sarah. I'm Tom.
What do you say next?
You could say, nice to meet you, Tom. What do you do?
Or, "Oh, cool. How long have you worked together?"
See, it's just one question leading to another. You're building the conversation step by step.
Okay, now imagine you're at a gym. Someone is using the machine next to you. You want to say hi. What do you do?
Try it. We'll wait. Okay, here's one idea. Hey, do you come here often? I'm new and still figuring things out.
Perfect. Or, "Hey, do you know how this machine works? I'm a bit confused."
Both are great because you're asking for help, which people usually like to give.
Exactly. And it starts a conversation naturally. Okay, Max, we've talked a lot about words, but what about body language?
Oh, great point. Your body language is just as important as your words.
What should we do?
First, make eye contact. Not creepy, intense staring, just normal, friendly eye contact.
Right. Don't look at the floor, but also don't stare into their soul.
Exactly. Eye contact shows you're interested and confident.
What else?
Smile. We mentioned this earlier, but it's worth repeating. A genuine smile makes you approachable.
And stand or sit with open body language. Don't cross your arms.
Yes, crossed arms can make you seem closed off or defensive.
What about tone of voice?
Speak with warmth. Even if your English isn't perfect, a warm, friendly tone makes people want to talk to you.
So true. I'd rather talk to someone with broken English and a nice tone than someone with perfect English who sounds cold.
Exactly. People remember how you made them feel, not whether your grammar was perfect.
Okay, we've covered a lot today. Let's do a quick recap so you remember everything.
First, start with a simple question or comment about the situation. Is this seat taken? Or this line is long, right?
Second, introduce yourself naturally. By the way, I'm Lily, or I don't think we've met. I'm Lily.
Third, ask open-ended questions. What do you do? Instead of, do you work here?
Fourth, listen and follow up. Build on what they say.
Fifth, find common ground. Food, travel, hobbies, easy topics everyone can talk about.
And don't forget, smile, make eye contact, and speak with warmth. Your tone matters just as much as your words.
If you remember these 6 things, you'll be great at meeting new people in English.
Okay, everyone, we're almost at the end, but before we go, I want to say something.
Go for it.
Meeting new people is scary. I get it. Even native speakers feel nervous sometimes. But here's the truth. Most people are nice. Most people want to connect. If you smile and say hello, they'll probably smile back.
That's so true. And remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect. People appreciate the effort. They'll be patient with you.
Exactly. So don't let fear stop you. Use the phrases we taught you today. Start small. Say hi to one new person this week.
Just one, that's all. Then next week, try again.
Before you know it, meeting people in English will feel natural.
And who knows, you might make some amazing friends along the way.
Okay, now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, which phrase are you going to use first? Are you going to try, is this seat taken? Or how do you know the host?
Let us know. We read every comment and we love hearing from you.
And if you want more lessons like this, hit that subscribe button. We've got so much more coming for you.
Next time, we're teaching you how to end conversations politely. Because, yes, that's also tricky in English.
So true. You don't want to be stuck talking forever.
Exactly. So make sure you come back for that.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening. You're doing amazing. Keep practicing, keep improving. We believe in you.
We'll see you next time. Take care.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.